Say hi daw to Shasha's vlog. Hello, hi. Yan, si Chef Camille preparing our dinner for the first night. Welcome to Alisea. Welcome home. Yeah, we have Pink. Ako daw taga-document. Oh, we have Pink. Hi, Pink. Say hi daw to the vlog. Hi. Mag-CR lang daw sila. And the owner of the account. Say hi. Say welcome to your own vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
The toilet.
The toilet. To the toilet. Welcome.
This is Alisea. We have Ness. Oh, we also have a foosball table here. We prepared also some emergency kits. Arcade. And si Doc JM. Ayan, si Brian pala. Sorry, nag-invento ako ng pangalan, brother. Ayan, si dalawa palang Doc. May narinig kasi yung KL kanina. Okay, sorry. Edit mo lang to siya. Ayan, so they're preparing the welcome gifts. Then, ayan, hi daw kay Pink. Sumasayaw na. Let's check out the outside. So, welcome to the first. This is the first permission to pause retreat, the wellness retreat. And the outdoor swimming pool. Maybe tomorrow we can show you the beachfront property. So this is what Chef Camille prepared for our welcome. Some kapa. Is it? Chef, is this a carrot cake?
Carrot. This is apple pie.
Apple pie, my favorite.
Egg salad sandwich.
Egg salad prepared by...
Cheese pimiento. The cheese here is made with potatoes and carrots.
Oh, wow.
This is our egg-free mayo. So this doesn't have egg, no dairy. And then this is apple and carrot.
Apple and carrot welcome juice.
Juice, yes. Para to energize you. I know you're all tired. Oh, there's a mic. To energize you, I know you're all tired. So we have apple and carrot juice. And then we have our egg salad sandwiches. That's egg-free. So we make our own mayonnaise from soy milk.
Oh, nice.
Yes, and then cheese pimiento sandwiches. The cheese is made with potatoes and carrots. And then for dessert later, that's apple pie.
Ikaw, what can we expect on day one?
There's a lot to expect.
Night one pala.
We have activities until 9:30, and then right now it's just welcome drinks, and then we will do a welcome and orientation, and a little bit of winding down. Siyempre may dinner.
Thank you. Then hi Jam, you want to introduce yourself? What business are you looking for?
Business
Sige,
to
whatever you want to ano.
pause
What's
from life. I just want to relax and fill my cup first before I will do my other responsibilities for my husband and my daughter and for my business.
All right.
So there it is.
Thank you.
My name is Sofia Relosa. I'm a feng shui consultant. I also do Pachi and Chi Mandunra. Anything about Chinese metaphysics. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Who do you want to be connected with? Sabihin na.
Oh yes, anyone who business owner or homeowners who are or anyone who's actually struggling right now and who needs to change the vibration of their place. Yan, mga bad luck, series of bad lucks, and they want to change their energy, ayun, the flow of their space. Yes, please contact me. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Nes. That's all. See you tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, hi everybody. I'm one of the naturopaths in the Permission to Pause retreat. Yeah. Most of the time, I'm teaching yoga therapy or I'm guiding my students na mag-heal in a yoga session. So not just a yoga like super flexibility, but I focus on a healing yoga session. Plus, I also do naturopathy programs, ganyan. May retreats din.
Through the rest.
Alright.
Hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Pink.
Hi, I'm Fib. So, ayan, I'm a dentist. We're here to enjoy, we're here to pause, and we're here to learn.
Quickly and
Ay,
officially
sige.
welcoming everyone. There's a schedule that we will be following. It's more lax, and I just want to set the expectation that it's very chill. We don't want to be too rigid because it's permission to pause nga, 'di ba? So we don't want to overload you guys as well. And syempre, parang we want you to also have your own time and to kind of just really slow down because we're all busy. Each of you have a participant kit that looks like this. So it looks like this thing. Ganyan. So, model. All each, it will come with a like this. And each of you will also get a shirt that comes with it. So, ganito yung itsura ng shirt. So, this whole event is actually part of what we call, our collaborations kasi is under Soul Mission Lab. Siyempre, may kasamang journal. So this is a self-care journal and you will be using this in the activities also and you can feel free to write on it. Yeah, so meron kasamang dental kit because we will use this for the activity that Dr. Fim will be leading tomorrow. This is an anxiety whistle. So, you can wear it tapos when you blow on it, there's studies kasi, diba, with breath work. And ito, ear seed to, we will use this later because we will have yoga nidra with ear seed. Tapos yung ear, naghanap ako dito. Ayan, like this. So the earplugs nga. And this is, I guess, when you're either sleeping or I guess if you're trying to meditate or concentrate, it's not earplugs that you will not hear anything. It just mutes it down, tones it down a few decibels. So if you're easily triggered by like sound, you can wear this. Okay? Tapos iba-ibang size kasi depende sa size ng butas ng tenga nyo. Baka kasi dyan, small, medium, large, depende, di ba? So I think what's on this is the medium one. For some, kasi parang pagpasok, pumasok lahat. Parang shumot na lahat. So, kailangan yung lakihan yung stopper. Okay? It's easy naman to disassemble it. You just pull this, and then you can change it na. Okay? Diba? Ganun. So, that's your participant kit. That's yours. And there will be siguro some, I don't know kung nalagay ba dyan yung, nilagay ba? Anyway, there's here also yung parang garter. And this is for the yoga mat. So you insert it inside, ganun. Hindi siya parang ganun. Yeah, so it's a really cool bag. We chose this color because it's neutral to all genders. Meron tayong emergency kit. Natural and Western version, pwede. So nandyan naman siya lahat. There's a fire extinguisher here if you need it. A fire extinguisher.
Wow, very nice.
Ganun.
It's like a
So,
mosquito, like
yeah, so if you guys need talaga stuff, and then I think this is ours. So the gloves and the mask kasi. I think that's it. And then we can give you like a mini tour of the place. Is that something you're okay with now? Yeah. Yes. And then
This is the first permission to pause again. Yan, my wife Zarina. She'll be heading the. She will be facilitating everything for the permission
I will
to
be
pause.
co-facilitating.
Co-facilitating
With the others.
with the group,
Yes.
the Soul Mission Lab group.
Alisean siya. Oh. It's para understand what your values are, so you can work towards the life that aligns with them. So meron siyang mga ganyan. Begin noticing your breath. To each one of you to pull the cards. This card has a categories. This card is about life in general. There are things about emotional intelligence, about relationship, desires, and then consultations.
Last day of the permission to pause. So everyone's getting ready.
We're gonna go to the beach to do a grounding movement.
We're going to the beach to Tampisaw.
Yeah, to Tampisaw. There's another big wave. Jump! Hey guys, come on! Stop pa. Parang may nagbibigay. Bilang ganun. Yeah.
Yes, then. Si Madam
September 19 to September 21, 2025. The first permission to pause by Soul Lab Mission. So inviting everyone in the next run. I'm sure they plan to do this every year. So please join us next time. Thank you very much, Alicia. This is the beachfront access from the house. And so there are 3 floors. I think we showed you already all the amenities of the house as well. So that's amazing. The good choices. Let's see. And hi, Chef. What do you have for us this morning?
This morning we have tapa. Well, the first one was the sandwiches. And then there's egg rice, tapa. And then we're having kimchi rice also, dumplings. And then we also have watermelon cooling in the ref. Then we'll make banana milk also. So it's basically finish everything that we have in the ref, repurpose everything so no food goes to waste. Yon. Thank you.
Chef. Where can we find you pala?
We're on Instagram at The Good Choices PH and then also on Facebook, same, The Good Choices PH.
All right, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Well, join us for breakfast na.
What can we do with this?
And the sandwich. Ayan si Jam. Naman na ang kanyang kimchi rice and egg rice. And tapa. Masarap yung gyoza. Gyoza.
What's that?